Welcome back to the episode of Yim's Table. So today's episode is a bit different. So Ember and Fish for It collaborated to do like a Yisang fish set lah. So they sent me one. Thank you so much, Gary. Thank you so much, Jasmine. Thank you so much, Ember and Fish for It for, I love food, man. I never say no to food. And inside you'll find there's some ingredients for 4 different dishes. Mainly, of course, the Yisang. And then there's a steamed fish. There's also soup and suvichi. I think it's called suvichi. Raw fish, basically. So, without further ado, let's go. So after sorting out and going through the instructions, the soup's gonna take the longest. So I'm gonna start with the soup first. It takes about like 30 minutes, I think. And then I'll go with the steamed fish. Then after that, I'll do the suvichi, I guess, suvichi, and then the yisang. Because this is gonna be served raw, so I'm just gonna keep this in the fridge first. I'm gonna start with this and then start with this. And also, just a pretty interesting fun fact is that the fish that they send you is always gonna be different based on the catch of the day. So it could be grouper, 4-finger threadfin, or unicorn leather jacket. The one that I have here today is senangin. I also don't know what's in English. I don't know, man, but I'm gonna start cooking now. And let's hope I don't fuck it up. So for the soup, I'm just gonna unpack this real quick. So the instructions are really, really clear. I mean, the chances of you fucking it up is quite low lah. Shouldn't, but basically everything is in here, as you say. So all the bones, the head, the body. So this is the bonito sachet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna boil all this first, and this is gonna come in later. So we're just gonna, you need to add like 1.5 liter of water. I pre-boiled, so it's gonna be faster. Hack things, man. Don't boil water on the stove if you can. You just boil the water, it'll save you a lot of time. Alright, so now I'm gonna boil it. And then once it's boiling, we let it simmer for 30 minutes. Right. Obviously covering it will, bring it to boil faster. So right now we're just gonna wait for it to boil. Right, so it's boiling, as you can see. So now we're gonna reduce the heat. So just put it under low heat and let it simmer for 30 minutes. Right, so this has been 30 minutes. So now we're gonna add the bonito sach real quick. Just gonna, chuck it in for 30 seconds. Right, so 30 seconds up, take it out. Ready, take it out. Side, okay. Season it with salt. Right, put a bit of salt. Put a bit of soy sauce, just a little bit for the umami flavor. Just put a bit. Hopefully that's good enough. Oh, amazing. Right, this is done. Right, for the next dish we're gonna cook is the steamed fish. So everything is here, everything is pre-packed. Garlic oil, fermented chili sauce, fish. Right, so everything is like pre-packed already and labeled properly, so it's pretty easy to follow. Let's hope I don't fuck this up, because there is no remix. I can't redo this, you know what I mean? Put a bit of that at the bottom. Put a bit of this at the bottom. I feel like a fancy ass chef man making this. Oh shit, right. I cannot fuck this up. Spread out evenly. I'm gonna finish the garlic oil, just like spray on top. The water's boiling, right? Close it for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes. Looks cooked. It is definitely cooked. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me show you like hack. Damn. Oh, okay, that was a bad idea. Oh shit, that was a bad idea. Oh no. Yeah, to be fair, if they were to do it, it would look nice. I'm just really clumsy in my hands. Hence why it looked a bit shitty. Ooh, it is hot as hell. Right, moving on. Right, I'm now gonna plate the suvichi, I guess. So they fillet the fish for you already. So you just, decide how much you want to use for each. So I'm gonna try my best to at least make this presentable. Right, it's just pickled apple, so I'm just gonna lay these around. It works. So I'm just gonna I think this is the pear, pickled pear. Oh, right, this is done. Next, So now I'm gonna make the yisang. So assemble all the ingredients on a large plate. I think this is the main one. Put this one here, and put this one here. Center this one here. This cilantro. I don't know what this is. You know, they use the garlic oil. Ooh. Man, I'm so greedy. If I'm eating this alone, like, it's pretty insane, man. Hope you're proud of me, Gary. One day I want to work for you too, you know. Yeah. Right, now, peanut plus sesame. Oh shit. And then the last one. Do this. Right, now, this is what it looks like. And we're done. All this took about an hour-ish with the cooking, and pretty much there's no cutting needed. And I'll be ready to eat after an hour of not so crazy cooking. Pretty easy. And you probably get to learn how to make soup, how to use the different parts of the fish, so it's not all just about eating. You actually get to learn a thing or two as well. So there we have it. Obviously I can't sign off without doing a taste test, so I'm just gonna taste first. You taste the steamed fish. I might have swallowed a bone, but it's okay. It didn't kill me. Tastes amazing. Tastes amazing. Let's just have a go. Let's just try the soup. I'll try with the mushroom. Everything is just great, man. And the soy sauce really gave it an umami flavor. So you should season it with soy sauce. Nobody low sound like me, so I'm gonna low sound myself. What? A bit sad actually. Damn. Damn, surprisingly amazing, man. Like, I didn't think it would work, but it worked. You use the traditional keropok, use the rice crispy, and it didn't feel like it's all yisang. It tastes like yisang. Still, if anything, it's one of the best yisang I've ever had. I'm not even being biased, man. The food there is legit. They're also doing deliveries for their, just at lunch and dinner also, just regular food. So you can check out the website. And also, the people who provide them the fish, got fish for it. They are also like fish suppliers. So if you're interested in getting fish yourself, you can hit them as well. Everything is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Yim. I'm just gonna continue eating. I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe. I never bullshit you, right? Freaking finished. Delicious.